Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explore the best payroll software for small businesses called Gusto. From setting up your account to running payroll and managing employee benefits, you'll learn how to simplify your payroll process with Gusto. So, let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description box to access Gusto easily. By clicking the link, you will land on the official Gusto Payroll Solutions website. Once you're there, click on Create an Account to get started. Here, write your credentials such as your first name, last name, company name, number of employees, and you'll be taken to a page where you need to answer a few questions to set up your account. For example, you'll be asked if you currently run payroll and how you manage it. Options include manually doing it yourself, using another software, or being new to payroll. For this tutorial, we'll choose New to running payroll. Then, they'll ask how you describe your business setting. Once you've selected your option, click Submit. Now that you're in, Gusto will ask about your team, like who you're planning to pay, for example, yourself or employees. Fill that in and click Submit. Once you've entered all your information, Gusto will ask if you have an accountant or bookkeeper. You can choose to add that later by skipping this step for now. Then you'll customize your setup, including choosing your first payday with Gusto. Now comes the setup phase. Gusto will ask for details about your company, team, and tax information. You'll need to provide your company's physical mailing address and phone number. Afterward, you'll need to enter your federal tax information and select your business entity. Then add the address. You can choose your mailing address, or you can add a different one here. The next part is adding your company's bank account. Gusto will use this account to process payroll for your employees. You'll need to verify your account, so make sure it's your company account, not a personal one. Next, select the required features, choose customer support, confirm the number of states, and finally, you'll choose a Gusto plan. Based on your needs, Gusto may suggest a plan like the 2-day direct deposit plan at $60 per month. However, you can also view and compare other plans, including the 4-day direct deposit plan and next-day direct deposit plan options. After choosing a plan, you'll need to set up the payment schedule. You can set up different schedules for hourly and salaried employees. The last step is to assign a company signatory. This is important as your company is responsible for e-signing all government forms Gusto creates. After filling in these details, click on Continue. That's pretty much it. Be sure to answer all the setup questions carefully. After that, you will be taken to the Gusto dashboard. This dashboard homepage provides an overview of what's going on with the organization's Gusto account. On the top, there is Payroll Setup Progress, which is 46%. This progress bar shows how far along the organization is in setting up its payroll in Gusto. At 46%, it means some initial setup steps have been completed, but the process is not yet finished. In the Tasks section, you can set up payroll, which prompts the admin to continue completing the steps for setting up payroll to ensure employees are paid. You can also create your profile so the admin can also pay themselves or receive benefits via Gusto. On the right sidebar, you will see active payrolls. This section shows the status of current payrolls. Currently, no payrolls are running, meaning no payments are scheduled to go out at the moment. There is also the autopilot option for payroll, but currently, it's off. This suggests that the automated payroll feature, which automatically runs payroll on a set schedule, is turned off. If turned on, payroll would be processed automatically without manual intervention. In the Upcoming section, you can see the upcoming bank holiday that may affect payroll processing dates. This gives you a reminder about the next payroll processing deadline, telling the admin that payroll should be completed by this time to cover a period. Syncing calendars allows the user to sync their payroll schedule with their personal or work calendar, which helps keep track of important payroll dates. On the left sidebar navigation, the first section is People, a section where the admin can manage employee details, onboard new hires, and update team member information. Next is Pay. This gives access to payroll-related functions, including running payroll, viewing payroll history, and configuring payment schedules. The Expenses section would allow admins and employees to manage and track any business-related expenses. Employees can upload the receipts, admins will review and approve, and expenses will be reimbursed on payday. Time and Attendance section helps track employee work hours and manage time off requests, syncing with payroll for accurate compensation. Benefits section manage employee benefits, such as health insurance, financial health, and other perks. Taxes and compliance tools helps the company stay compliant with tax regulations and handle tax filings. Documents are a storage area where employee forms, tax documents, or company policies are kept. Next is the report. It offers reporting tools to generate detailed payroll, tax, or HR reports. In the Learning section, you can find resources like tutorials, how-to guides, or compliance information. You can also easily recruit through Gusto, keep track of your company's performance, and find information or links to available tax credits or incentives. Lastly, go to the app directory. Here you can integrate with many popular third-party apps or services with Gusto. That wraps up the tutorial. To try it for free, check the link for Gusto in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.